Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 10th chapter 6 coordinate geometry. This is the first video of the coordinate geometry, so it is a part 1. At first we know about some facts of the coordinate geometry. At first you know that in the graph paper, on the graph paper, this is called the graph paper and this is called Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. So, in the coordinate geometry or in the Cartesian plane, every vertical line and horizontal line intersect at a point, so that like this is the x-axis known as x o origin, and this is x dash. This is y-axis and it's a y and y dash. Here O dash is the positive line of x. This is the positive line of x and this is the negative line of x. This is the horizontal line and horizontal line represents x-axis and in the vertical line represents y-axis. So this is the OY is the positive line of y and this is the negative line of y. So now we can explain here that every vertical and horizontal line intersect at its origin and it divide it into the 4 parts. And every part is known as quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So here coordinate, these are coordinate of x and y must be positive because this line is also positive and this line is also positive. So their coordinates are positive. In the first quadrant, x and y both are positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So these are coordinates of the quadrant first, second, third and fourth. So first quadrant positive positive, second quadrant negative positive, third quadrant negative negative, fourth quadrant positive negative. That means x positive, y negative. In this way, your first sign represents x and second sign represents y in every quadrant. Now, these facts are the coordinate geometry facts. Now we should discuss about the distance formula, that is main motto of the coordinate geometry. Distance formula, that means if 2 points are given here, A and B are 2 points and a line segment joining these 2 points, then what is the distance of this AB? how can we find the distance of this AB? That means कि at first we draw x dash OX, x dash OX, that is the horizontal line, and YOY dash, that is the vertical line, represent as x axis and represent as y axis, and O is the origin. Here we take 2 points A, so the coordinate of A equal to x1 y1 and coordinate of B equal to x2 y2. Here coordinate of A equal to x1 y1 and coordinate of B equal to x2 y2 are 2 points in the given figure. Now we can draw AL perpendicular to OX, AL perpendicular to OX and BM perpendicular to OX. BM, that means this, and AN, that is the AN perpendicular to BM. This is the perpendicular on BM. So now we find at first OL. Here is the OL. What is the distance of OL? OL is a point here, so represent x1. That means OL equal to x1 and OM equal to x2. So AL, this is the perpendicular distance, and every perpendicular distance is the value of y, and every horizontal distance is known as value of x. So this is the y1, AL equal to y1 and BM equal to y2. Here is y1 and y2. Sorry, this is y1, this is y2 and this is y1. Now AN, that means OM minus OL, because AN equal to LM. AN equal to LM. AN is here, LM is here, and value of LM equal to OM minus OL. Here is also given OM minus OL, and value of OL equal to value of OM equal to x2 and value of OL equal to x1. So x2 minus x1. Value of AN equal to x2 minus x1. Again BN equal to, here is the BN, that means BM minus NM. BM minus NM. But here NM is equal to AL. So BM minus AL. Value of BM equal to Y2. So Y2, and AL equal to Y1. So Y1. Sorry. It's a Y1. Y2 minus Y1. Now in triangle ANB, in right triangle ANB, in right triangle ANB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AN square plus BN square. AB is the hypotenuse, AN is the base, and BN is the perpendicular. So hypotenuse square equal to base square or plus perpendicular square. What is the value of AN? What is the value of AN? AN equal to x2 minus x1 and Bn equal to y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now, so distance of AB is on the basis of this square, it should be written as the root under. So this is the distance formula. So distance formula equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square root under. Okay. Now if a line starts from the origin, that's the OA, so x or y, what is the if line of a point starts from origin, then O equal to what? What is the coordinate of O? O is the coordinate equal to 0, 0. And A is the coordinate equal to x or y. So that OA equal to root under x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. So it should be written as x square plus y square. So distance from origin, distance from origin. If we find the distance from origin, we use the formula distance equal to root under x square plus y square, because the value of origin equal to 0, 0, so x2 equal to and y2 equal to 0. So it should be written as x square plus y square only. Okay. Now the one thing more, if any point locate on x-axis, then y equal to 0. Show that coordinate equal to x 0. If any one point, it should be written as here, anywhere. If we locate on x-axis, that means y equal to 0. Only the value of x should be written here. This is called abscissa. This is called abscissa. And if any point locate on y-axis, then x equal to 0. Show that coordinate equal to 0y. This is called ordinate. This is called ordinate. And some also facts are remaining here, like the properties of equidistance in the rectangle. How can we find the parallelogram? How can we prove the points is a square? How can we prove these points are rhombus, and also a collinear points? So wait for a moment and see them. Now you have some problems on the basis of distance formula. Your first question, find the distance between the points A and B. Here is the point A and here is the point B. This is the distance of point A and B. What is the length of this distance? इस distance का length क्या होगा? That means the coordinate of A equal to -6 and -3, and coordinate of B equal to 9 and minus 12. By distance formula, AB equal to root under x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Show that value of x2, that is the x1, that is y1, that is x2, that is y2. So your x2 is 9. So that 9 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus 12 minus 3 whole square. So that minus plus 9 plus 6 the whole square plus minus 12 minus plus 3 the whole square. So that 9 6 15 the whole square or plus minus 9 the whole square. Here square of 15 is 225 and square of minus 9 is plus 81. Minus into minus we get plus. That means plus 81. That means that's a 6 0 306. Now we can factorize 306. That's a 153. That's a 3 5 1 3 7. That means root under 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. That means 3 root 34. That's your answer. In the second question, what's up? Find the value of x for which distance between the points P and Q is 10 unit. Here is a point P and here is a point Q. That's the length or the distance. Coordinate of P is x4 and coordinate of Q equal to 9 0. And the length of this PQ, length of this PQ and the distance of P and Q, distance between P and Q equal to, your value is 10 units. So you find the value of x. So here x1 equal to x, y1 equal to 4, x2 equal to 9, y2 equal to 10. Distance of PQ equal to 10 units. So that by distance formula, PQ equal to root under x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So your result is value of PQ equal to 10 and x2, that means 9 minus x the whole square plus 10 minus 4 the whole square. That means 10 and root under 9 square plus x square minus 2 into 9 into x. This is the formula of a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And 10 minus 6, that means 6 the square. So we can squaring on both sides. 10 the square equal to root under 81 plus x square minus 18x plus 36 the whole square. Here square root cancel, that's 100 equal to x square minus 18x or plus 6 और 1 7, 8 3, so that here the result is 0 equal to x square minus 18x plus 117 minus 100. It should be written as x square minus 18x or plus 17 equal to 0. It should be written x square minus 17x minus x plus 17 equal to 0. X common, x minus 17 minus 1 common, x minus 17 equal to 0. That means x minus 17 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Show the value of x equal to 17 or 1. Both are the answer of x. So in this way we can find the values of x. That means value of x is many. So we can find that. In the third question, here we can see here, find the coordinates of the points. Find the coordinates of the points on x axis. x axis पे जो points हैं उनका आपको coordinate निकालना है which is equidistant from the point. This point से equidistance पे वो है. Equidistance that means that here this is the Cartesian plane and this point is on the x axis. So here on the x axis is the point let P and equidistance is A and B. So that's a minus 2 5 and 2 minus 3 and that's a chunki P is on the x axis, so their y must be 0. So their y must be 0. That means coordinate of P equal to x 0. Okay. Now let here A and B. A minus 2 5 and B 2 minus 3 are equidistant from x axis point P. So coordinate